Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. If you use multiple email accounts or use services of different email service providers, then we are going to tell you about an app named as Blue Mail that helps you to use all these email accounts at one place. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile, search for the app Blue Mail. Here is the app, install it. Let's see some of the features of this app. Blue Mail is free, beautiful design, universal email client capable of managing unlimited number of mail accounts from various providers, allowing smart push notifications, all your emails in one place, multiple providers, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, and others, support multiple mailboxes, enhanced features, smartest mobile notification, group mail, dark theme, rich text signature, Android Wear, mobile printing, dynamic smart conversions, configurable menu, set emails to later, mark emails as done, quick filters, sender's image, service logos, unread count, updated on 17 May 2018. App is installed now. Open it. Add your account. Authenticating. Name and description. Click done or add another account. Here it shows the features. Skip them all. Close. How this look like. Here it shows the folders. Drafts, sent, trash, spam. Add account. Account settings. Edit folders. Tasks. More. Search. Multi-edit. Calendar. Send feedback. Contacts. Show email from one sender at one place. Compose. Click allow. Here you can compose the email. Attach file, pictures, all unread start, incoming, cluster, dark mode, more, add account, account setting, send later, later today, tomorrow evening, tomorrow morning, next week, in a month, someday, pick a day. Delete, forward, reply, reply, forward, archive, move, mark as unread, star, block sender, more options, set default, snooze duration, reply all, forward, new. So you see how this app helps you to open all your email accounts at one place with some awesome features. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.